Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lloyd. Once again, another market review and another tutorial for you guys. Today is Tuesday, January 30. Today was a very dramatic market because PSEI was very expensive already. It was due for a pullback and a very big pullback after a very big win. Most of the stocks fell down, but for those who followed my recommendations, one stock did the ceiling, and it's TBGI. To those who went into TBGI, congratulations. It was a 48% win, and that's worth celebrating. Anyways, yeah, I'm making this video because at midday, when TBGI was already up there at the middle, um, I've been receiving questions, messages, and posts. What do I do with TBGI? Should I sell or should I hold? I believe most of these are newbies because the newbies are those who really don't know how to handle their winnings. So this will answer the question how to handle your winning stock. This is not just for TBGI, but also to future stocks you will be buying that will be winning on that day, especially if it already hit your target, what do you call this, your target profit. If it hits your target profit, what do you do? Anyways, yeah, let me get the stock TBGI really quick. So this was TBGI. This was at midday around 10 o'clock. It reached 0.56. Did a pullback because it was already high up there. And then recovered here and then consolidated at this area. This area is where newbies really um, are getting nervous because they don't know what will happen to the stock. If will it go up or will it go down? So they start asking themselves, should I sell or should I hold? If you're gonna ask me what to do at this point, I will not answer sell your stocks. I will not answer hold your stocks. What I will answer is sell half and then set a stop loss at your purchase point at for the other half. What this does is that if the stock falls down, because you've already sold the other half, you've already cashed out on all those, what do you call this, half of those, what do you call this, earnings for that half of your stock. And the other half, if it falls down, you sell it at your purchase area or purchase point right here. What that does is, for the other half, you just, naka-break even ka lang. It's just like you just bought half of the number of the stocks that you bought. Example, you bought 2,000 stocks. It's you gain on the 1,000 of the stocks, and on the other half, anyways, you sold it at your entry point. So nag-break even lang dun. What this does is you're still on the winning side, right? You still won half of your stocks at this point. That's if this goes down. But what if it goes up? What this does is, especially at this area right here, what this does is on the other half, you maximize your win. Yes, it's much lesser than risking it all and holding your stock. What if dito you did hold your stocks and then it did the ceiling, so on all of your stocks you did win, but what if it falls down right here? If you just hold your stocks and then it went down right here, you would have lost all of your earnings that day. So what this does, the technique I'm giving you, is this will place you always on the safe side, right? If you want to be a good trader, be on the safe side. Always make this your habit, and you will be a good trader right there with this strategy right here. So don't be greedy. Holding at this point with 100% of your stock is very greedy. You can win, but you can lose big too. So sell half and then set a stop loss for the other half at your purchase price. This will make you a safe trader, and a safe trader is the best trader out there, right? So once again, this is Lloyd, but before I end the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe so you won't miss other videos like these. Also, you're watching at a channel already that has a sponsor button. If you want to support the channel, click on sponsor, and you can donate whatever amount you want. I assure you the amount will go a long way, and I'll be using this to help you and other Filipinos out there be financially free and financially literate. I'm going to help everyone I can to be better in handling their money and investing in stock exchange, of course. Once again, my name is Lloyd. Thank you so much. Seize the day. Happy trading.